Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you're fine. Today we learn alphabets. Meet the letter I. Now we will study the two sounds of letter I. Short sound and long sound. I and A. Now let's meet the object. Start with letter I. I for igloo, igloo, igloo. I for ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. I for ice, ice, ice. I for iron, iron, iron. I for insects, insects, insects. So, my dear students, you are notice the sound igloo, ice cream, ice, iron, and insects is I and A. So, keep learning with your friends. Allah Hafiz.